What's up, pine cones? We just picked up this Dewalt miter saw. We're gonna do an unboxing video. Let's check it out. Power cord. Put that to the side. What do we got here? Nothing. All right. I'm gonna go and get this out. Just like that. To be packaged really well. Okay, so here is the front, like that. Take this off. This would be the vacuum bag that's going to collect all the sawdust. Get a knife. Oh, and the manual. So that's pretty cool. Got a zipper right here to dump out all of the sawdust. And flip that back up, and let's go ahead and put this on. So it just goes on the back like that. Comes with a wrench. Looks like you got a Torx head on this side, and then just a regular socket on this side to take off the blade, and I assume tighten down different stuff on the bevel maybe. So first things first, we're gonna have to release this arm right here. Just press it down, pull the pin out on the side, and come straight up. And then to lock it back down, same thing, just press it in. So that pulls it up. Got this nice safety guard right here to protect you from cutting yourself on the blade. If we want to change the angle that we're cutting, you simply pull on this lever here at the bottom and slide it over, and then it'll lock in. And then to lock it permanently, you press down on this black lever in the back, and that, I assume, locks it in. And yeah, that's a perfect 90-degree angle right there because we got it set to 0. Next thing is we might want to change the bevel. And now this is only a single bevel miter saw. The way you do that is first you're going to move this fence over and lock that in. And then there is a release here on the back of the miter saw that will turn, and then you can rotate the entire thing according to whichever angle you like to create a bevel on whatever piece of wood or metal that you're cutting. So I'll go ahead and lock this in. We're at like a 28-degree angle right now, and then all you got to do is pull the trigger and pull it straight down, cut your piece of wood. Now you do want to use these fences right here so that you can keep your boards or your pieces of metal flush up against. That makes sure that you cut everything very straight.